Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla and Jack Skellington as one. What I want you to do is I want you to give this character a name at the very end of the video, and I'm going to pin the one I like the most. Ready? Let's get started now. Okay, let's get started in this mixture of Jack Skellington and Godzilla. Alrighty? I'm gonna go right here now, and I'm gonna start with kind of the head shape right here. Curve over here, down, down. Yeah, that's it. Right. And pull down, outward, curve, up, zigzag over here for the mouth. And I'm gonna make it like one piece, pretty much, to kind of give that, like, I want to give, it's like a Godzilla's shape, but with Jack Skellington's skull type kind of feel to it. So right here, so he's got like a skull on his face right there. Curve around the corner over here, up, like right there, filling this dark part right there. Kind of looks like a skull crawler, honestly. Nostril on this side, and then his other eyes over there on the far side. Line down over here, and then we're going to have zigzag shape down here for the bottom jaw. Don't forget to hit that like right now. Like, if you actually really like these two characters, definitely hit the like button. Helps the channel out. Helps the algorithm out. Curve underneath. Back over here, down over here, the jaw. So we have this skeleton head right here so far. Right there. Pulling down over here, the back. That's very Godzilla-like right there. That's a wide neck. I'm gonna do that. But we're gonna give it that top bow tie right here on the kind of the top area of his chest. Two eyes. It's like a bat, I believe. Line over here, and then we're gonna fill that in right there. Alrighty. Let's go over here now. Zigzag right there for that bat shape, the bow tie. Pulling down. Out over here for the arm area. Line over here. Down. Line over here for the arm. Curve down here for the bend. We're going to pull down for the chest area. It's going to pull in a little bit. And then pull out again, right? Because Godzilla gets kind of bigger as he goes down, right? Big fat legs. So, all right, let's go over here for the hands. Zigzag shape like that. Curve over here. Down. Out over here. His thumb right there. Pointer finger. Pointer finger on this side. And then down over here, pull in. All right, so far so good. All right, let's go over here to the back. Zigzag. Almost looks like a ninja star or bush or something. Like there. Line up. Line over here. I'm just gonna keep going up, throwing these, it looks like explosions on his back, but they're, you know, Godzilla's spikes. So to kind of stay with the, you know, by the way, if you like this design too, like absolutely hit the like button. So far, if you look at it, it's Godzilla, but he's got like the Jack Skellington tie, and he's got like a skull head, which is Jack Skellington, right? And then if you really want, we can throw right there the blast of the atomic breath out, something like that. Like so. Let's fill it, well, should we fill this in? I don't want to fill that in, actually. I'm going to give it a little bit of a, maybe lines here, but I'm not going to fill it totally in. Line over here. If you want, you can throw a little bit of dark over this side, pit of the mouth. And I guess there's a point now where you're like, okay, do we give him the suit, or do we just kind of leave him as is, right? I'm gonna leave him as is. I want to have the texture. See, like draw the thinner lines, but you're drawing lines up and down right here, and it gives you the illusion of texture. Except right here, I'm gonna give him a little bit of dark for some shadow under the neck. Line across over here. Same thing, just kind of like, it gives it, it's called indication, right? It makes it look like the rest of it's going to be filled in, but you can kind of indicate it there. Meaning the human eye is just going to take it as like, oh, that's a texture, right? That's maybe the pit of the armpit right here. Line over here. And we're drawing little thin lines on the spines over here to give it some texture of its own. So it kind of gives you more information on it. Don't forget to sign up for the email list. There, you get a free ebook when you do that on how to draw something cute. But go check that out in the description. There's a lot of good stuff in the description, by the way, if you're new here. A lot of good stuff. And I'm going to keep adding to it. So definitely hit up the description. And I want to thank you very much. Also, we're going to do another video together, okay? We'll do another lesson together. That's really going to help the flow of kind of your learning and stuff like that. So let's do another video lesson together, okay? By the way, what would you call this guy? That's a big one. What would you call, what would be the name of this character? Anyways, let's get into the next lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.